Good day, my subscribers and viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be cooking some Jamaican ackee with saltfish and chicken back. Yes, some Jamaican real chicken back. This dish is so delicious and yummy. You have to try it. I'm making it with some boiled yam, dumplings, cooking breadfruit, sweet potatoes, and green bananas. I start off by soaking my saltfish to get rid of the salt. Then I take my ackee from the freezer. My ackee is starting from Jamaica and is already cooked. I clean my meat in lime and vinegar water and wash properly. Then I start my cooking. You can season your meat to your like and taste, and add whatever you like to yours. This can also eat with rice also. Tell me in the comments what you like to eat ackee with, or if you would try this dish. Thank you for watching. Please like and share the video with your friends. Maybe someone might be interested in making this dish. Take care until next time.